Hello mga kamatinik! Welcome again here in Math YT channel of Coach Mike. Could you try to solve this expression? 10 plus 2 minus 4 divided by 2 multiplied by 3. And let's see if your answer is correct. I'll give you 10 seconds. Timer starts now. Time's up! Who has an answer of 12? How about 6? Did anyone answer 30? Let's find out if your answer is correct or not. To answer this expression correctly, let's recall the rule of order of operations, which is M-. As we can see in our expression, we both have multiplication and division. Should we do multiplication first before division? Nope. Take note that multiplication and division are at the same level, meaning they are equal in order. Meaning, whichever comes first from the left should be done first. So, in our expression, we must do first the division. That is 4 divided by 2. Which is equal to 2. This reduces our expression to 10 plus 2 minus 2 times 3. Multiplication is the next operation we must process. Therefore, we will do 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. Now we have 10 plus 2 minus 6. What operation should we do next? Subtraction or addition? Since addition is at the left, we will do it first. 10 plus 2. That's equal to 12. Then we have 12 minus 6, which is equal to 6. Hence, the correct answer is 6. Alright? Is your answer correct? And that's it for today mga kamatinik. See you all on the next math lesson. Bye-bye. God bless. To God be all the glory.